Hi, I'm Danny Hollingsworth, a video solution specialist here at Avid, and I'm actually sat in my home office in the Netherlands right now, and there's a good reason for that, which we'll come to very shortly. But what I wanted to do is talk to you about Edit on Demand. This is a project that I've been working on at Avid now for a number of years, with the aim being to take our tried and true and tested post-production workflows that we have on premise and make those available in the cloud, on demand, as a service. So, taking things like Media Composer and our shared storage platform Nexus, and of course the collaborative workflows between them, our project sharing and our bin locking workflows, and making those available in the cloud. So I'm sat here today in the Netherlands with nothing other than my trusty laptop and an internet connection, and I'm going to go from that to a full post-production facility available for not just myself, but other editors and talent in the region to be able to all start collaborating and working together. So lots of different scenarios I'm sure you're thinking through, lots of different questions you probably have. We're going to try and answer all of those, but rather than waste any more time, let's dive in and take a look at Edit on Demand. So let's talk about how an admin user would go in and deploy and set up their Edit on Demand environment. So once you've got your activation code, you can go to the Avid website and then sign in to your Avid master account. Once you're into your account, go to Register Software with Code in the My Products section. Once you're here, you'll be able to activate using the code that you were sent previously. Once you've entered your code, simply click on Register Product. This next section is really important. It's where you will determine in which location you will deploy your Edit on Demand environment. Choosing the correct data center and region will have a significant impact on the experience that your editors and your collaborators will have in the environment. So pick wisely. There's many tools available to be able to measure things like latency and bandwidth for the clients to the different data centers, and we'll cover those in a separate video. But for the moment, we're going to pick one of the regions. In this scenario, I'm based in the Netherlands, and I know that my closest region is the West Europe region. Notice we have 6 regions today. This is dependent on where we have the capabilities to deploy the different components needed to enable Edit on Demand. This list will grow over time once the different data centers enable those capabilities. Once I select my region, notice you will see what my monthly subscription actually entails. There are many different tiers and options, but in this tier I have 1 terabyte of Nexus storage, 1 terabyte of download, 348 hours of edit time, so that's Media Composers running and editing, and I have 2 seats or 2 Media Composers that can run concurrently. Next, we're going to choose a prefix name for our deployment. It's important to use something logical either for your project or the production name. And then from here, we can accept the terms and conditions and activate our product, which will then initiate the automated deployment. If you look at the top of the page, you can see the system is currently being deployed. Today this can take a few hours. So this is a good chance to engage your editorial and your production team to start getting ready to work in Edit on Demand. Next, we'll look at how you set up the user accounts and also what is needed for clients to be able to ingest material and then start editing.